Hi guys, welcome to Chakravi Science Academy, just a minute series where every minute counts in unlocking the secrets to master your board examination. Today we will talk about a very important topic, that is translocation, which is the transport of food by a food conducting tissue, that is phloem. So let's go in detail and talk about it, that how the food which is synthesized in leaves, we know that photosynthesis takes place in the leaf, and how the food is transported to all the growing regions of the plant, such as example, roots, flower, fruits, young leaves, etc. So here what happens is, remember, first of all, translocation or the transport of food by the phloem, the definition is it is the transport of food or the nutrients from the area of synthesis to the area of utilization. So the area of synthesis or the area of storage, we call it as source. So where the food is synthesized or it is stored, that is called source. And the area where the food utilization is happening, that we call it as sink. So in simple words, we can say the definition of translocation is transport of food materials from the source to the sink. Source means the area of storage or the synthesis. Sink is the area of utilization. Example of the source is leaf, we know that. And the area example of sink is the growing, young leaves, growing stem, or the roots, or the seeds, etc. Now, so what happens here? A very interesting thing is there. When food material passes into the phloem from the source, as we know, phloem is a food conducting tissue. So in the phloem, when the food is passed, then what happens? There will be a higher concentration of the food in the phloem. That because of that, the osmotic pressure will be exerted. The osmotic pressure will be very, very high. And due to the osmotic pressure is more, this will cause the water to enter in the phloem. When the water comes inside the phloem, due to this, turgor pressure will be more. Remember, turgor pressure is the internal pressure. It's a pressure within a cell which pushes the plasma membrane against the cell wall. Okay, it's the water-filled organelle vacuoles which exerts this pressure, okay, on the plasma membrane. Now, when turgor pressure will be more, so what will happen at the phloem, which is the source? Then there is no option. The food material will pass towards the low turgor pressure. And what is at the low turgor pressure? The sink, which is the area of utilization. So point to remember here is the source always have a high turgor pressure because of the more concentration of the food, and so there will be more concentration of water. And the area of utilization, which is the sink, will have always the low turgor pressure. So we know the movement is always from high turgor pressure to low turgor pressure, and that is how the food is transported from the source to the sink. So that is the translocation by phloem tissue. So keep following Chakravarti Science Academy for more such videos. Bye bye for now.